Lauri Markkanen and the Lakers, could a blockbuster trade be on the horizon? The Los Angeles Lakers are never far from the NBA rumor mill, and the latest name to swirl around the purple and gold is Utah Jazz star Lauri Markkanen. While nothing is official, the whispers have grown louder in recent weeks, with multiple reports and speculative trade ideas linking the Finnish forward to Hollywood. The idea alone is tantalizing. Markkanen's unique skill set alongside LeBron James and Anthony Davis could instantly transform the Lakers into one of the most balanced teams in the league. But how realistic is such a move, and what would it mean for both franchises? Who is Lauri Markkanen? For casual fans who may not follow Utah closely, Markkanen has quietly blossomed into one of the most versatile forwards in the NBA. Drafted in 2017 by the Chicago Bulls, the 7-footer from Finland quickly built a reputation as a floor-stretching big man. His shooting touch, combined with mobility and length, makes him a matchup nightmare. The real breakthrough came after he was traded to the Jazz. In the 2022-23 season, Markkanen earned Most Improved Player honors and his first All-Star selection, averaging more than 25 points per game. His offensive arsenal expanded beyond spot-up shooting, as he began scoring off the dribble, cutting aggressively, and finishing strong around the rim. He's proven to be more than just a shooter, he's a legitimate go-to scorer. This season with Utah, he's still delivering at a high level, hovering around 19 points and 6 rebounds per game, while also putting on a show internationally with Finland in Eurobasket, where he's averaged well over 25 points per game. Clearly, he's a star entering his prime. Why the Lakers are interested? The Lakers' ambitions are clear: maximize the remaining years of LeBron James while ensuring Anthony Davis has the support he needs. The team has shown flashes of contention but has also struggled with depth and consistent perimeter scoring. Markkanen checks nearly every box for the Lakers: elite shooting range for a big man. At 7 feet, he can spread the floor and give LeBron and AD room to operate. Off-ball scoring. He thrives as a cutter and transition player, perfect for a LeBron-led offense. Defensive versatility. While not a defensive anchor, his length allows him to guard multiple positions. Imagine a lineup of D'Angelo Russell, Austin Reeves, LeBron James, Lauri Markkanen, and Anthony Davis. That's spacing, playmaking, and size in one package. The trade proposals making noise. Several hypothetical trades have circulated across sports media. One of the most talked about scenarios comes from Bleacher Report and Sports Illustrated, involving a 3-team deal between the Lakers, Jazz, and Heat. In this proposal, Lakers receive Lauri Markkanen, Jazz receive Rui Hachimura, Gabe Vincent, Dalton Knecht, rookie, plus multiple first-round picks. Heat receive a package headlined by Terry Rozier. For the Lakers, this would mean sacrificing young depth and future assets but gaining a proven all-star who fits their timeline. For the Jazz, it accelerates their rebuild with draft capital and young players. Of course, these are mock trades, nothing confirmed by the league or teams themselves. But the fact that Markkanen's name keeps popping up in connection to LA suggests the interest is genuine. How realistic is it? The challenge for the Lakers lies in asset management. The Jazz won't part with their best player cheaply, especially since Markkanen is still under contract on a team-friendly deal. Utah could easily hold onto him and continue building around him. From L.'s perspective, though, the urgency is high. LeBron is in the twilight of his career, and the front office knows its championship window is limited. The Lakers have historically swung big when opportunities arise. Think Anthony Davis in 2019, and acquiring Markkanen would fit that mold. The question is whether the Lakers can offer enough draft picks and young talent to entice Utah. If another team with more assets, like the Thunder or Spurs, enters the race, LA could be outbid. How would Markkanen fit in LA? If the deal were to happen, the Lakers would gain one of the league's best third options, or even a co-star. With LeBron orchestrating the offense and Davis anchoring the defense, Markkanen could focus on what he does best, scoring efficiently without needing to dominate the ball. His presence would also relieve pressure from Davis. Too often, AD has had to shoulder both offensive and defensive burdens. With Markkanen stretching defenses, Davis could operate closer to the rim, where he's most effective. And for LeBron, having another reliable scorer means fewer heavy-lift nights as he ages. In many ways, Markkanen is the perfect bridge between the Lakers' present and future, young enough to be part of a post-LeBron era, yet ready to win now. The bottom line as of today, Lauri Markkanen is still a Utah Jazz player. All reports of him joining the Lakers remain speculative, fueled by trade proposals and rumor mills. Yet, the possibility is intriguing enough to keep fans talking. For the Lakers, landing Markkanen would be a statement move, one that signals a final push in the LeBron era while setting the stage for what comes next. For Utah, the decision would be about balancing the value of keeping their all-star centerpiece versus cashing in for future assets. Whether or not this blockbuster ever happens, one thing is certain: Lauri Markkanen has officially entered the Lakers' radar, and when the Lakers front office locks onto a star, history tells us that anything is possible.